Hello, it's that time of year again. Here at AMS Landscaping, we like to offer a rock sale during the wintertime where we install new rock or we replenish your existing rock in your landscape, in your desert landscaping. We are offering a 5-ton rock installation, normally $1,000. We're going to do this for $795. If you need more rock, the same discount applies. It's basically a 20% discount. All you have to do is contact our office. You can reach us at our website at azlawns.com or call us at 602-944-0494 and ask about our rock sale offer. It'll start November 1st, 2022 and go through February of 2023. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping and check us out on Instagram and Twitter at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.